Welcome and hello again. Here's an image of flowering, bunching onions growing in my garden in the spring. Although this image is actually from my older garden where I had wooden plant beds, I like to reference this image because I didn't know that they could grow this tall at about 3 feet tall. And now here's an image of the same onions when they were younger and a bit smaller. Because I live in a milder climate, zone 8A in Virginia Beach, Virginia, these actually live throughout the winter and live all year round. They don't do too well during the summer heat, but live through it, and I never have to purchase these types of onions. This actually all started from having little scraps from the green onions or spring onions or bunching onions purchased from the grocery store for only about $1 investment, where I can get maybe 5 to 8 little onion bottoms with the roots still attached. I can plant these directly in the garden and keep harvesting them year after year. I hope to reestablish these in my current garden too. It's really convenient to have them available whenever I want, just to go outside and cut what I need for the meal or have my family take whatever they need when they visit. If you want to try to establish the same type of setup, you can plant these directly in the ground pretty much any time of the year except for the middle of the summer. I wouldn't recommend that because it gets too hot during that time of year, and they actually grow best when it's cooler and less sunny. Okay, that's pretty much everything for me today. Thanks for joining me. I hope that this information was helpful, and until next time, happy growing!